Hello everybody! Today we're going to unpack, take a close-up look and taste the Nestle After 8 Bites. So let's first take a look around the outside of the pouch. So in this pouch is Nestle's After 8 Bites. It is a 107-gram packet or pouch of dark chocolate squares with a peppermint fondant cream center or filling. So taking a look at the back of the pouch, there's some product information as well as nutrition information as well, and ingredients list. And it doesn't contain any artificial colors, flavors, or preservatives. And now let's go ahead and open up the packet by tearing the pouch or packet open and taking a look inside. So right there we can see a heap or bunch of those After 8 bites. So you can see they are cube or square shaped. Let's tip a handful out from the packet and give you a side-by-side look in the pouch as well as in my hand. So this is a 107-gram pouch of After 8 Bites. Set the packet down and take a close-up look at these squares of dark chocolate with the peppermint cream fondant filling. So giving you a close-up look at these squares and giving you a further out look as well to give you a better idea of the size and giving you some perspective to these peppermint filled dark chocolate squares. Okay, so let's pick one out from my hand and just going to set the rest on the top right hand side of the frame and giving you that close-up look, and you can see that concentric square pattern at the top of this block of After 8 Bite. And just giving you that close-up look. So it almost does have a milk chocolate coloring to it, even though it is a dark chocolate. So it is a very light dark chocolate. Let's take a bite and find out. So let's taste it. And giving you a look at the cross section while I continue eating that half of this bites. So you can see that mint fondant cream. I'm just giving you a look as I pull it apart and see just how gooey that cream fondant filling is. And in terms of flavor, nice and smooth with that slightly hard outer chocolate shell. And let's go ahead and taste the rest of it. So nice cool taste of that mint filling and with the outer chocolate covering or shell. Just popped another one in my mouth, a whole piece. So there is a slight chewiness to it, with the hard shell, mixing as I continue chewing and biting on the chocolate. So flavor wise, it does have that nice refreshing mint taste, which kind of overpowers the chocolate, but there is still that faint taste of the chocolate body or covering. So that's the Nestle After 8 Bites. Thanks for watching and happy eating!